Many people focus on food and supplements while overlooking one of the most powerful healing tools available: sleep. During sleep, the body performs much of its repair and maintenance work. Sleep affects digestion, inflammation, immune function, energy, mood, and brain health. This lesson explores why rest is not a luxury during healing. It is part of the healing process itself. One of the most overlooked aspects of healing is sleep. Many people focus on food, supplements, and protocols while continuing to run on exhaustion. But repair requires energy. During sleep, the body performs important maintenance and recovery functions. The immune system recalibrates and rebalances. Hormones are regulated. The brain processes information. The digestive system gets an opportunity to recover. When sleep is poor, many symptoms become harder to improve. Energy may stay low. Stress may feel harder to manage. Digestion can become more reactive. This doesn't mean you need perfect sleep 8 hours a day every day. Very few people do. But it does mean that improving sleep is often one of the highest return investments you can make for both gut and brain health. Sometimes healing begins not by adding more, but by allowing yourself more rest. The goal is not perfection. The goal is creating better conditions for repair. And in the next lesson, we'll talk about nourishment and why recovery is about support, not about restriction.